Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we do arts and crafts from A to Z. So I went to the grocery store and found these beautiful napkins. I knew I had to buy at least one to make a decoupage candle. It was so hard to choose as all the designs are lovely, but I ended up choosing the autumn leaves design. So first I cut out the textured part of the napkin. Since it's a 3-ply napkin, I then remove the 2 extra layers. All I need is a printed layer. Next, I cut the napkin to match the height and the circumference of the candle. Then I wrap the napkin around the candle using parchment paper. You don't need any fancy tools for this DIY. A regular iron works perfectly. The goal here is to melt the candle slightly so that the napkin sticks to it. However, I love using the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press because of its concave design, which allows me to cover more of the candle in one pass. By the way, this mini heat press is also great for t-shirt transfers, mugs, and more. They are having a sale right now, so check the description for the link. So back to the DIY. Once the candle surface has melted enough for the napkin to adhere, you can remove the parchment paper. And here's the final look, a beautiful decoupage candle to decorate your table. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our DIYs. Thanks for watching!